Good morning, dear students. As you know, we are discussing the chapter Water, a Precious Resource. And everybody is aware that the life is not possible without water. And the water which we can use, that is only the fresh water. And the amount of fresh water on the earth is very, very limited. And the sources of fresh water is one, that is groundwater. Groundwater is an important source of water. Groundwater कौन सा होता है? I have discussed with you. Groundwater is the present underground. And water table, the water table is the upper surface of the ground filled with water. जो सॉइल में नीचे पानी होता है, जो उसका लेवल होता है, अपर सरफेस होता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? वाटर टेबल. और द प्रोसेस ऑफ सीपिंग ऑफ वाटर from the surface of soil into the ground is called infiltration. इनफिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस, जिस प्रोसेस से सॉइल जो है वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करती है. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज एक्वीफर. एक्वीफर क्या होता है? द प्लेसेस इन विच ग्राउंड वाटर इज स्टोर्ड बिटवीन द लेयर्स ऑफ रॉक बिलो द वाटर टेबल. वाटर टेबल के नीचे जो पानी स्टोर्ड होता है, रॉक्स और सॉइल के बीच में जो भी पानी स्टोर होता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्वीफर. Now, the uses of groundwater. As you all know, groundwater is a fresh water, and for various purpose we need the water which we use is fresh water. So it can be used for drinking purpose, domestic cause, irrigation of crops, water services in public buildings and offices, firefighting, industrial purpose, means whatever the domestic and agriculture requirement for water, that is fulfilled with the help of groundwater. Do you know that 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day, and 75% of the human brain is water, and the living trees, they also contain 75% of the water. And 2003 was called as the International Year of Fresh Water. One special aspect of water is what? That water expands by 9 degree when it freezes. Means the reasons where the temperature is very low and water freezes there, and that's why the quantity of water or scarcity of water is there. You can do this as an experiment. You fill a plastic bottle with water and keep it in the freezer. What you see, when the water is frozen and after some time the bottle may burst because water is expanding and it does not get the space, and the bottle get burst. Therefore, it is advised then when you keep the bottle filled with water in the freezer, some space should be left, for that space is used when water expands on freezes and bottle do not burst. It means the places where the temperature is very low, the water is frozen. So there is the scarcity of water. So scarcity of water is due to many reasons, as you are advised that save every drop of water. The scarcity of water is due to the one factor is distribution of water. The distribution of water across the earth is not even due to different factors such as rainfall and climatic conditions. For example, in India, some places have good amount of rain and water rich, so therefore their water table, the level of water table is up. And on the other hand, there are deserts which have very less rainfall, so the water level is very low. India is a vast country and the rainfall is not same everywhere. Some regions have excessive rains while some others have very little rainfall. So in few places there is less amount of water, and in few places there is the plenty of water. And climatic condition also has the major factor in it. So, water management. Water management is the effective planning, distribution, and use of water resources. Whatever resources we had, the main resource of fresh water is the rainwater. So, how we can manage those resources? Some types of water managements are rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation, and boundaries. Rainwater harvesting can be done by two ways, that rainwater can be collected on roof or it can be collected on surface. Basically that we should collect the rainwater and do not waste it. And the next is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is the method of irrigation in which water is given to the roots of the plants only. This is expensive, but it uses less amount of water. So we can use this to save water. And Bawris are the places, small places like gaddas, where the rainwater can be collected and used later on. Now, the most important thing, what role you can play in saving the water. That is, fix water leaks means if taps are leaking, then you should get repair those, or while brushing, do not open the tap, keep on continuing open the tap. Just you wash your brush and do it, close the tap, and afterwards you can open the tap. And use a garden hose nozzle and take shorter showers. Basically, don't take shower for a long time. Instead of shower, try to bath with the help of buckets. Install efficient toilets. The toilet water which is used, maximum water is used in that. There should be the new ways of the toilet where the less amount of water is used. Wash full loads in washing machine. Do not wash little amount of cloths at a time. Try to wash the cloths when the load is full, means your washing machine should be full of cloths and then you wash. And like this way, save each and every drop of water, because life on this planet is not possible without water. Now, effect of water scarcity on plants means what will be the effect on plants with the shortage of water. If water will be not there, then plant will not get water and they will die. Their life of plant is also depends upon water. The green character of planet shall be lost. If plants are not there, then the greenery on the planet, earth planet, will be there, and means there is the end of life. This may mean the end of all life, for a world without plant shell means no food, no oxygen, no rain, and others problems also. Means we directly or indirectly, every person, every organism on this planet depends upon plants. If plants will not be there, so life on the earth will not be there. The most important aspect of this chapter is the reasons for the scarcity of water. Means what are the main causes of shortage of water? As you know that on the world, the water is constant with the help of water cycle. Then why we say that there is a shortage of water? There are many reasons behind this. The one is deforestation. We are cutting the trees. So, if trees are not there, so less rainfall. Uneven distribution of rainfall. In few places we get enough rainfall, and few places we get less rainfall. So the places where the rainfall is less, so they are having the shortage of water. Then scanty rainfall. In few areas there is the floods are there. They also will be having increasing industries. We are increasing industries, so demand for the water is more, so we are having the shortage of water. The another or the most important reason factor is increasing population rate. The population is increasing, our resources like water, minerals, they are not increasing. So the sufficient amount of water is not there for the increasing population. For example, if you have one bowl of food with you for one person and you can sufficiently eat that. And if you are 5 person and eating from the one bowl of rice, then you will not be getting the sufficient amount and you will become hungry. So population is increasing, our resources are not increasing. These resources cannot increase within a day. So we have to conserve these resources for ourselves and for the future generations. So use these natural resources like water, save each and every drop of water for yourself as well as for the future generations.